Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting both remotes ready and the console in sync mode. First, power on the Wii and open the front cover to reveal the red sync button. Once done, remove and reinsert batteries in each remote to clear glitches. Make sure you stand within about 3 meters of the sensor bar and keep phones or Wi-Fi routers away while you work. This reduces interference and makes the pairing process reliable. Now move on to initiating sync on the remotes themselves. You now enter sync mode in a time sequence to pair both remotes. Press the console's red sync button once and wait about 5 to 10 seconds. This opens a short pairing window. Next, press the sync button inside Remote A's battery compartment until its LEDs blink. This registers player 1. Immediately, within about 10 to 15 seconds, press the sync on Remote B so its LEDs blink too. Make sure you observe the LED order. It assigns each remote. Complete the process by closing battery covers and testing buttons to confirm both remotes respond. Check the LEDs to verify player numbers. If one remote doesn't register, replace its batteries and press sync again. Sometimes a full console reboot fixes timing glitches. If problems persist, sync them one at a time to isolate the faulty unit, and consider switching the sensor bar or moving nearer to reduce interference. This troubleshooting step usually resolves the remaining pairing errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.